Peace. I'm Harrison from Web Tech, and today we are going to build a website using WordPress and Elementor. Elementor is the king of page builder out there in the world today in WordPress community. And let me reload this website. Perfect. So in this section, we have our about section and explore our service section. I don't know what this section is called, but it's a section, and we have a customer review sections, and also we have this section with a two column. So we have a video here, just a 16 seconds video, and that is it. So for that of the about page, we have this beautiful image right here. Also, we are still implementing the about section, and also this section. How do you test here? Oh my god, actually this is just a features website, and we have our creative team and our client section also. So for the services, we have this, and for the blog, supposing your website supports a blog, and you can implement it with it. So we have the contact section, contact page, whereby we have in our left column we have this and the contact form section. So this take an option actually does not now, so you can reference it to any page of yours. So let's go back to our home page, and that is it for the introduction. And if you are ready, I'm ready. Let's begin. Welcome back, my dearest friend. Let's get on to business. I just want you to follow me step by step with no steps keep. So let's go to Bitnami WordPress. Search it on Google and click on this, and click on win/mac/linux, then just download whatever platform you're using. So for me, I'm on my Windows PC, so I already downloaded this bit WordPress for Bitnami, and so I just want to install it, download, and let me open it up. Wow, why are you taking so much time? Anyway, so click on next. Okay. The next so this, I just want WordPress. I don't need those versions there. So let me select a, let me go to an empty. Okay, let me create an, in my D drive, I just want to create a new folder called WordPress, and in here I just want to select it. So in my E, then WordPress, make sure your folder is empty. Okay, and so next, so my read name is actually Harrison, and email, I just want to go with hello@topwebtech.com. My login, the login should be admin, and my password is my password. Okay, then next, then blog name is actually Harrison. Next, make sure you untick this. Okay, next. So it's installing. See you soon. All right, so finished. All right, so this is actually a way of controlling. If we click on so from this dialog box here, now we can stop our database and Apache, but we don't need this. Just minimize and click on access WordPress. delete. Yeah. So this is our website up and running, and for now we have just this. So let's log into the backend or the dashboard of our website. wp-admin. So admin, then password, click on login. So here is actually the back end or the dashboard. So click on this Harrison here and open a new tab. So this is what is called or known as the front end, and here's the back end. So the back ends control this front end. So whatever changes that has been done here, it will reflect right in here. In our fresh installation, we have just one post. If I should click it, so this is it. Welcome to WordPress. This is your first post. And so let's do a couple of settings. The first thing I want to do is to click on settings, the permalinks. I want to click on post name. The reason why I'm doing that is because if we should click on in this post, if you check the URL, we have 2019-01/hello-world. I don't want something like that. I need something very nice, like the domain, the name of my website /about page /contact us, and so let me click on save changes. If I should go back and click on hello world again, now we have the domain name /hello world. So this is cool, unlike the previous one. Yeah, so that is for that. And let me close this. So click on let's install themes. So this is we have 3 themes by default, but we need a new theme. Add new. So in here we have different types of theme that we can choose from. So if you want to build a website like blog, you can just search for a blog theme. These are our beautiful theme for blog. And if you want to build a website for a community or a church website, whatever website you want to build, you can search for the theme here and manipulate it, and there you go. So let's click on let's search for wants to use this one called a theme called Astra. Click on install. Then activate. So let's preview our website. So visit site. So this is our website, unlike the previous one. So this is actually the Astra theme website. So but this is what we actually want to accomplish. This. So let's go back to our dashboard and let's install a plugin. So before we install this plugin, let's talk about what is a plugin. A plugin extends the functionality of WordPress. So by default, WordPress does not come with a contact form. If I should like open this in the new tab, there's no contact form right in here. But to implement a contact form, we need a plugin to do that. So this, click on plugins, installed plugins. Let's see. So we have some plugins that comes with this default installation, such as Akismet, anti-spam. So what it does, it protects your blog from spam, but we don't need any of all these. Click on this and deactivate, apply, and click on that and delete. Yeah. Perfect. So let's click on post. Let's remove this and let's remove this post. Click on this checkbox. Move to trash. And same thing with the page. Move to trash. So click on plugins and add new plugin. So the plugin we want to use is Astra. So hold on, let's S that out. Yeah, we need this Astra starter site. Click on install now. Then activate. Then click on appearance and Astra sites. So we have several page builder here, but we are going to use Elementor, which is the king of all page builder in WordPress community for now. Elementor, and so with just a click, you're done. So supposing we need this template of the website, let's preview it. Here we go. With just a click, our website is up and running. So we can make some changes if we want. So that is how powerful Elementor is, and the rest of it. Although this is a purchase template, but we want to click on free because we want to build from scratch. Not actually from scratch, and click on this, and yeah, then click on install plugins. So we need the strip plugins. So let's import this site. Okay, so this will take some time, and I will see you soon. Done and preview website. I just click on this done and view website. We'll close this. So this is our website up and running. We like a breeze. Our website is up and running, and we have the about section. Yeah, we go, and the home page. So this is what we're going to customize to this. So let me close it. So click on dashboard. No, VC website. Click on customize. So let's work with the header section first. Click on layout and header site identity. So we don't need this tagline. We can as well change our site title from here and upload a logo if you have a logo. And click on this transparent header. No, primary header. So in this primary header, actually, in this primary header we can choose a header layout. We can either go with this or with this, but we are sticking with this. The best way to learn is to try. I want you to navigate this section and play with it. Okay, let's go back and go to color and background, then the header transparent. So for the background overlay color, we'll go with black. And for this hover, like what we see here, go this so in the menu we need the link test. So we'll change no on this. We need the overcolor. Okay, so this is it. So now when we over to our bat, we have this green light color, and like that as well. So let's go back to button header, then transparent header, then this button background over. So we need like this also. So this just want to paste in this green, Then for the over border, we need it to be white. Let's check it out. Yeah, perfect. So that is it in this Add section. Click on Publish. Then click on this S. What happened? This should be white. So click on Customize, and color and background, and header transparent. So the menu, the text color should be white. Yeah, we go. Yeah, so publish search. So we are done with the header section. So the next step is to click on edit with Elementor. Wow, let's begin. Alright, so we don't need any of these sections, so let's delete section, delete, and update and preview changes. So this is our website now, but we need this. So let's work with this section first. So these are our elements we can work. If we need an heading of our websites, we just have to drag this. If we need a button, and a lot is here. So I encourage you to play with it. All right, and so let's click on add new section. So we need a single column section. Click on it, and so click on the height. Should be mini height. So let's adjust this to something like 670. I use 670. I could remember 670. Click on style. So in this background type, click on classic. We can either use gradient or background video if you want, but we are using an image, so click on select files or browsing. So we need this. Open, insert media. Wow. So the position, let's go with center, and for the size, let's go contain. Wow, this is it. So we're progressing, and so what we need now, we need this test, this heading, lift your business to top, right? lift. So click on this icon via and heading, drag it towards here. So we need this tests. Paste. Click on style. Then the test color should be white. Wow, perfect. So click on this typography. We want to go with a font family of Poppins. Okay. Then the size, let's go with 50 pz. Make sure it's pz, not em. Otherwise, you screw it up. 50. Then for the width, no, let's go with 600 for the width. Then for the line height, make sure it is pz is click, not em. So we'll go with 60 here. And I think we need to add some line break here to top. You click on this, then content. Let's add a line break here, which is BR. Yeah, Perfect. So click on this icon again, and we need a test. So in this, we need this. Or click on this toolbar toggle, then click on this paste as plain text. Paste it here. Paste. Click on style, and the text color should be white. And for the typography, we'll go with open sans. Open sans, yeah. So for the size, no, we should go with 18 for the size. Then for the weight is 400. Then line height, make sure it's PZ click, alright? So this should be 10. 10 is okay. So let's update and take a look. Preview changes. Wow. We need some space in between this, the heading and this text right here. So let's do that. We need some space in between here. Oh, it's okay. Let's apply some space. So in this, make sure this is click, inside is click, or you click this pencil here. Make sure this is click on advanced, and we should give in a button margin or a button padding. Let's go with a button margin of 50, like 10. 10 is not pronounced. Or 20. Or about 40. Let's check her out. Let's go with 30. So you'll be 30. Yeah, it's okay. Let's click on this. So we need this button here. Click on this and drag this button. Leave it here. So the test is request a callback. So this would be request a callback. And for the style, we want to go with, for the typography, we'll go with say poppins, and for the size 17, be cool. Then for the weight, let's go with 400. Then the letter spacing will be 1 in this. The text is actually white, which is cool. Then for the background, show the 5D5DEB6. 4D, yeah. So this is it. So that is it. Okay, then for the border solid, then for the what's it called, then for the width, should go with 2. Then for the border radius, to give it this fancy curve, right here, let's go with 50 or true. Yeah, this is good. And what next? The color should be same as this. So just hope it's the same color we have in there. Let's update and preview and see what's happening over here. It's a little bit darker, right? So I think the background color should be 0808 AE 8D. Yes, this is it. This is what I'm looking for. So let's paste it here. So then, yeah, perfect. So we're progressing. Then for the hover, the text color, when this is over, the text color is still white, but there is no background, so we can see through it. So there is no need for the text color. Then for the background, we have to reduce this down. Yeah, that's it. And remember, when we reload this page, we have some little animation happening. So this actually comes from the left and this from the bottom. So to do that, you click inside of this and click on advanced. Then entrance animation, fading left. Yeah, then this should be, you click on it, make sure is being clicked, advanced, and entrance animation, fading top. Wow. So let's update and see what happened here. Perfect. I think this is it. Or do we need to just give it some in this button, advance, some top margin of 10. Yes, this is okay. Update. Let's see what happened there. Wow, this is okay. And this is for this section. So the next section is the about us section. And see you in the next. I'm back again, but there's some couple of things I forgot to implement while building the first section. So let's go back. Let's click on okay, we are already here. Click on this edit section, star. I forgot to add an overlay. So we need a color, black, and you have to lighten this a little bit. Yeah, so perfect. So in our next section, which is the about horse section, click on this hard new section, and we need 2 columns here. So in our style, make sure this is click on advanced, and so the padding, make sure this is thick, link values together on tickets. Then the top should be 100, then the bottom should be 100 as well. And you click on this, click on the add-in, and drag it here. So this will be about us. Click on style, and the text color should be 797979. And for that of the typography, we'll go with Laura. Is a different font name, Laura. So the size, like 20 is okay. Then for the width, 400. We're just repeating ourselves all through here. Then we're going to work with that of the style to be italic, and the line height should be 1.8. Yeah, alright. So for the next one, we need this test. We need a test element. So we want to go back. So click on this title and element. Let's paste it here. So we need this. The background is and the text is black. The text color is black and style. Text color is black, so no need black. Then for the typography, we'll go with Poppins. And for the size 35 width with normal. Wow, yeah, this is okay. Normal is okay. Then for the this section, this dummy test here, let's click on this I don't know what this is called, so click on it and click on test editor and test editor. So we want to grab this dummy test here. Let's paste as test. Paste. Tie. This is a little bit like a gray. It's a little bit like a gray. So the texture, let me reduce it a little bit. Flagboard. Let's check it out. Alright, this is good. And so in the typography section, so we'll go with Poppins. This Poppins, the size 18. Then let's go with 400 as a width, and no line height, nothing. But there's some we need some space in between these about. In between these about or section, and also with this. Make sure this is clicked. Click on advanced and padding button 10 is okay. Same thing applies to this. So advanced padding button. Let's go with 10 also. Yeah, so this is good. We should apply same thing with this also. Padding button of 10. Okay, so the next is let's work on the button section. So just drag button to this place. The test is check out our services. Why not type it? Check out our services. In terms of the start, so the background color should be blue. No, the text should be blue, not the color. And in terms of the typography, we'll go to Poppins also. Font size 18. And for the background, we don't need anything. The background should be white. Click on the typography again, then the decoration should be underlined. I think we are progressing. Yeah, underline. Then we're having some difficulties writing here. We want this text to shift towards the left. So you link this value, untick these link values together, and that's it. So let's update, and remember you can as well add in the content the link to where this will be pointed to check our service. So we can be pointed to these to our services section here. You can just grab these and paste it here. So update, and let's preview changes. It's a little bit okay. So, but in our right side we need a picture. So can just stretch just like this till you have results. Stretch a little bit. Yeah, result here. So in this, if you click on it, click on image. So in the image, just click on upload files, select files. So we need this image right in here. Insert image, and that is it. Let's make it shift to the right. Medium is okay. Is there anything we should do? Let's see. I'll just give it some advance. Then let's click on the let's see some padding left. Yeah, some padding left will be okay already. Let's go with 30. So yeah, that is it. So it's okay, you can adjust it to your choice. Yes, this is okay. So let's click on this arrow back, update, there, preview. Wow, perfect. So we are progressing. So we are done with our about section. So the next section is to implement the explore our services, which is quite simple. So just click on this add template and blocks. So locator of the service 6. Where are you? Service 6. I think this is what this is explore services. So let's click on insert and insert. So here should be explore services. Should explore our services. So we need to do some couple of adjustment in here. So click on style and typography. We'll go with pop-ins. Then for this 35, then the line height 1.2, and that is it for this section. So in the next section we'll create this. This particular section will help you to grow your business exponentially. As you know, this is a fictitious website. It's not a real website. We are just mimicking. So with this you will be able to build a complete website. So let's update and preview changes. Perfect. Our about section, barrel section, explore services. I should make this gray instead of unlike this, because this background is gray. So let's go back to the let's go back style, update. Yeah, perfect. So in the next section we'll be building this section. This will help you to grow your business, and see you in the next section. Thank you. All right, so let's begin. Let's go to this add new section, and make sure this is click, and click on the boss. This should be boss, and the height should be fit to screen. And let's click on style, background type, upload files. We need this insert media. So this is good. And we should go with center. Yeah. So make sure this is click. Okay, there we need a heading. So just drag this in here. Just copy this, paste. Click on style. So this will be in the text color is white. Do we need to add some background overlay? So click on this, then style, then the background overlay is black, color black. Yeah, it's cool. So click on this heading text, click on style, then the typography as usual I will go with pop-ins, and the size will be 40, then width 400 is okay. Then the line height in this EM will be we're going to use EM instead of PZ now, PS. So this will be 1.3. Yeah, 1.3 is okay. So then we have a break in the business. So in here, click on the content. Then we have to put some BR tag here. Make sure this is bold and italic. Bold and italic. Wow, we are progressing. So click on this, and let's add a text editor. Then let's copy this, paste as plain text, paste. Then for the other one, copy, already clicked, and paste. So click on style, text color should be white, and typography open sum, then the size should be 16. Then let's go directly to the line height. We'll go with 1.8 this time. Yeah, 1.8 is okay. And so the next is a button. Just drag a button in here. I think there's some alerts. Let's see. Okay, I forgot to do something. This is what we're gonna do. Make sure this is click. This is highlight and click. Then right click. Then add new column. Make sure 3 columns is add new column. So I want to drag this column in this third column. Yeah. and this should be expand like this. Until I have what I want. Wow, let's see. A little bit to push this a little bit up, a little bit. I think I need to push this up a little bit, or I think I'll do that. So what I'll do now is to click on this. Let's take it up a little bit. Click on advanced, and in the let's go with the margin. So the margin top, we'll reduce it down. Take it up a little bit. Or instead, should we go padding? No, margin will do. Let's see. Wow, perfect. So let's work with the button. So in this button, we have the test of explore more. So this will be explore more. And in the style, the text color should be white, but in the typography, the decoration will be on the line. On the line, let me see. Yeah, on the line, and yeah, on the line. So for the size should be 18. Let's go with poppins. Poppins. So there is a so if you update and preview changes. So let's see how it looks. I think we need to remove the background. So make sure it's clicked. Then for the background, reduce it down. So that is it. Update, and let's see. There's some little space over here. To remove that, just click link. This links values together on ticket. Yeah. So update, and let's see. Wow, perfect. So we are progressing. So let's work on this section now. So click on add new section. So it's added. So in this height, click on mini height, and let's reduce this to something like 200. Okay, 200, and click on the style background color. Let's go with blue in that. So click on advanced because we want to raise it up and make it transparent also. So advanced in the margin, make sure this is on tick. Then the margin top, we'll raise it to the top. me see where this is. Towards the finger. So let's keep going. Negative. I think this is okay. So, but for the star, click on this. Let's make it transparent a little bit so we can see through it. Wow, I see. Just to raise it a little bit. Advance. 200 is okay. Then for the star, things a little dark. Wow. Yeah, so this okay. So for the counter, we want to click on this, and the first thing we want to do is to click on this icon over here. So we need an icon element. Meanwhile, before that, let's write. Make sure this is right click. Add new column. Right click. Add new column. Right click. Right click. Add new column. So we have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this, we need an icon boss. An icon, right? Icon. So the first icon is handshake. So this icon here, we need an handshakes. And for the star, the primary color white. Then for the counter, we need click on these. Then let's search for counter element. Where are you, counter? So let's drag it here. So we need the ending number is 458. So this should be 458. 58, and no preface. So the test is a project completed. So project completed. Click on star. So this should be white. Then for the typography will work with poppins. Then the size 41. Then line height should be 1. Okay. Then for the title, white. Then let's go to poppins also. Poppins, then 16. Then let's give it width as 400. Then the line height 1 point something, maybe 1 point, yeah, 1.6. Yeah, perfect. So since this is done, let's duplicate this as well. We can right click and delete it. So just delete this column. So we can just right click here, add new column. What am I doing also? I think Ctrl Z this. C star. Okay then. Alright, so what I'll do, right click and duplicate. So now I can delete these. Delete, right click, delete, right click, then delete. So we have the 4th section now. So I'll click on this, the next one, and we need theme there. So this would be theme. I know I'm just repeating myself. It's like a little bit boring via theme. So here should be user. and users, not just users. um, 30, so this should be 30. Then we have a suffix of plus. There it should be team members. Then for the next one, 28 percentage, so this should be 28. The suffix is percentage. What am I doing? So 30, yeah, should be yeah, should be 30. Then this should be 28. Then we have percentage, so this is average profit annually. And last but not the least, we have I forgot to change the icon to money. So in this, the icon should be changed to exchange, and this will be 520 successful investments. So we have successful investment as the title. So let's update and see our changes. Perfect. I think I'm going to retouch this. I think so. So we have this. So we are up and running. And the next section is our customer reviews. So to do that is very easy. Just click on our template and block. Then this should be testimonies. Testimony customer. So this is where I need click on insert. And that is it. So in the next section, we'll be building this last section of our website, and if we update and see what happens, we have our website up and running. See you guys in the next section, and bye. And welcome back. So in this is what we want to build in this section before we're going to continue with our about section page. So this is what we are working with, and click on this section. So let's click on this height here. Let's make it minimum height. Let's increase this to that of let's click on style actually. Then background type, let's add an image. So we needed this. Insert. Let's make the position to be center. And let's click on this layout. Let's make this level like 700. Yeah, this is good. So let's apply a background overlay. So style background overlay, and in the background type, let's click on. So we'll go with 14 AD8 E. So this is what I want. And in our title, we click on this title. So our title text is this. Remember, this is actually a 2-column. So let me right click and add a new column here. So we have 1, 2 now. So in this, then style, so the text color should be white, and the typography we'll go with default, and this will be 35. The width, let's go with 600, and the line height 1 point. Make sure it is in EM is click 1.3 will be what 1.3. So 1.3. Yeah, 1.3 is okay. So the next one we need this test section here. Let me copy it. So this in the test, paste that plain text here, paste, and in the style the color should be white, and for the typography, typography, let's go with Laura 20 for the style. Then for the width, no need, let's just make it an italic, because this is italic actually. It's not really sharp unlike that. So let's click on this edit section, style, then overlay. I'm going to darken this a little bit. Unlike this. I'm just trying to find something that will fit it. I think we'll have to stick with it. So this is 14 AD8 E. How is it different than that? Although 14 AD8 E. All right, so let's leave it like that. So for this button, what we can do here, we can I think no need to copy that. Let's click on these and click on button. Paste it here, and so this will be read more of the test. Read more. Start. The text should be white, but we don't need a background, so let's reduce this. We need a background, actually. No, we don't need a background. But we need a solid border. This should be 2 or 3, and it should be 50. We overlay it, so for the overlay, the text should be same color as the overlay, the background overlay. So the background should go with this. No, so let's style. Then for the background overlay, let's copy this. So for the button style overlay, so this, paste in this. Yeah, perfect. Everything white or true. So for the border should be white. No. Yeah, the border should be white, and the background also is white. The background should be white, and the text color should be this light green. So this is it. So perfect. So for the terms of the video, click on this and let's click on video. You can insert any YouTube link here if you want, and this modest branding should be tick. And if you check, we have a picture in. So let's click on start. I think an overlay picture, file upload, and this is it. Insert. So that is it with the let's update and see what happened. So perfect. So we have our about session, explore. Our counter is working perfectly, and this is also working perfectly. So let's try this on a mobile device and see what happens. Perfect. Perfect. Wow, we have something. This is not good at all in this mobile device. So let's go back to our desktop. Let me fix that immediately. Oh shoot. Go mini height and no, just make this worst. Content position top. Yeah. This is it. The column position should be top, and let me update and see. Wow, yeah, this is it. So if we should go on mobile device, this, click on advanced, and losing this margin, untick this. Perfect. And with this also, yeah, so that is what I did. So I just untick this link value, and that is it. Let's click on desktop solution. Yeah, let's check it on tablet to see. Wow, perfect. So see you guys in the next section where we'll be building our about page. For now, bye. I am back. So let's click on exit to dashboard. About and view site, about, then click on edit with Elementor. Then let's remove all these sections. Instead of removing this section, let's delete this column here and add a text here. So this should be about us, center, and the style color should be white. And for the typography, so for the typography, we'll use the size as 50, and line height should be 1.2 em. Then click on this edit section, style. We have to change this to something else, which is this, insert. Perfect. So we are good. So in our next section, we need our about us section also. So what to do? Let's update and click on this. Go to as a dashboard. Let's go back to our home page. Edit with Elementor. So in here, click on this edit section, right click on it, then save. Right click on it, save as template. So this will be about us, about section. Save. So we can click on these, exit to dashboard. This is a little bit boring. I click on about and edit with Elementor. By now you'll be able to manipulate your way through whatever you're doing. And let's click on add template, my template, then insert. Yes, perfect. So we have this section. I didn't even adjust this. We have this section now, and so the next section is this. So click on add new column. We need two column, right? We need two column, and in this we want to select mini height, and should work with 600. I think 600, and the style background classic, then not color, image, upload files, select files. Where are you? Where is that beautiful girl? Then insert. Yeah, perfect. So this is it. So we need a these are add your heading. So we need, just click on these, their heading. Put on our heading here, and this should be, I wanted to actually type personal finance assistant here. Personal finance assistance. If I could spare assistance, yeah. So the star in our color should be white, white. Then typography, let's go with poppins as always. Poppins, then 18 as a size. So our line height should be 1.8 em, 1.8 em. Businesses. Cool. So we need this heading also. So click on this, add heading. We need this. The style should be white, and this is not white. This has something else. This should be 54 DE B6. So with this we have in our style. So let's go into our typography. We'll go with 30 poppins. Then the width level 400, and I think I have to alter this weight also. Style typography, let's go with 400 also. Yes, this is okay. So style typography, then line height 1.0 will be okay with this. 1.3. We should bold this ensure proactive also. So this ensure proactive should be bold. So that is it. So for the next we need a text editor, and let's copy this. Copy. Okay, click on this. Why you not working? Test. Delete. Then paste. So it's like we have a little dark gray here, which is 8C style color. Let's go with 8C. And what next? The typography should be poppins. Open sound should go with this though. Let's go poppins. Then the size, let's go with 16, and width 400, and line height 1.8. Then last we have this button over here. As always, button, which is learn more. So the text should be learn more, and in our text color should be white. Then the background, which we want to use this color, so style background color should be this, and solid to then 50 to give it a round curve. Border color should be white or Here we go. Then in our overlay, wow. So in the overlay section, when it's overlaid, we need the text to turn to screen, and the background color, we don't need a background color. Yeah, that is it. Our creative team. So to alright, let's update and preview to see our changes. Hmm. Yeah, I see. But let's give this some padding, this button some padding. So the top should be 10 and right 35, bottom 10 and 35 left, 35 left also. Update. Let's see. Yeah, perfect. So in this our team section, where are you? So what we need to do is to click on this template block, then for team, is where I go with insert. So in this test we have we are here to help you with your problems. Paste as test, and then the style color should be white. Then typography, we need Laura. Long we have used you. I think let's make this 12. Then 400. Then I think let's go with italic. Yeah, italic. And the line height 1.8 should be okay. So in this our creative team, I think we just need to reduce the size, so style to 35 will be okay. And that is it for this section. So the next section in our client, we just need to implement same step: add template, block, and client. This is it. Insert. And that is it. So let's update our website and see our changes. Let's relax and see our changes. So perfect. We have our about section, this section, and don't remember you can link this if you're building a real website. Our creative team and our client team. So this is it. This ends this tutorial. So for the services and that of the project, I didn't talk about menu in this tutorial. So let me I can close this actually. Click on dashboard. Let's talk about menu. Click on appearance, then menus. We don't need this project, we can easily remove it and save. then visit sites. About plus service in this section. So let's go to about section. So perfect. So this is it, and this is actually developed on our local server. So in order for you to export it to upload it on your website or domain, I'll do that video. I'll do the video, and I'll do a tutorial based on that, but it's quite simple. You just need a plugin to do that. All you need is a plugin. Dashboard, Arson dashboard, then you click on plugins, install plugins, add new plugins. You need a migration, all-in-one migration. Very powerful plugins. This is actually the plugin you need when you install. I'll do a video on how to upload your website on the internet with this same team and the rest for us. And thank you very much for taking your time out to watch this video, and God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe. Remain blessed. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.